Today we're going to be looking at simply how to create a wiki. Now, a wiki can be used for a whole class, for a whole year group, for the whole school, or even down to just a few students or maybe the members of a sporting team. To create the wiki, we're going to go into Safari, our browser, and go to the school's front page. And from there, if we go to Student Zone, we will see a link to wikis and blogs at school. The front page here presents us with three options. Go to blogs, to wikis, or my page, and I'm going to suggest that we simply go to my page and click login, and you use your standard username and password that we use when accessing the college network. Once we do this, there may be information in this area or there may not be. That's going to vary from login to login, as we can see here. Over the top here we can see updates, which is this page, wikis and blogs. Well, I'm interested in wikis. What you see on this screen here is dependent on which wikis you have created and to which wikis you may belong. What we're going to do today is create a new wiki. So simply the button on the right hand side here, click create a new wiki. When we click that, the first thing we're asked to do is to give the wiki a name. And so for today, my wiki is going to be called Training. And for the description, this is a demonstration of how to set up a wiki. I then go to next. Here we can choose the look of our wiki, and there are a number of options here, and it's simply a matter of choosing the color layout that we might want. So I'm just going to choose this one for now and go next. Here is where we decide who can actually access the wiki, and I would suggest for now that what we are doing is we are setting up private wikis, and here is where we include the people that can access this wiki. Now, if I was looking for a group of people, maybe our staff, if I type staff, you can see there's a group there called Staff E-Learning. Or if I preface by saying ASCBC, we can see here the various groups that are available within the school. Now, some of these that need to be explained. ASCBC staff is all staff. These other groups, and some of these are now out of date, but if we start down here, ASCBC 2009 refers to Year 10 2009. 2010 refers to Year 10 2010, in other words, our current Year 9s. 2011, our current Year 8s. 2012 is our current Year 7s, who will be in Year 10 in 2012. So if I wanted this to be accessible to one of those particular groups, say for example Year 8, I would simply click there and we see them added in the group. If I accidentally add something that I don't want, if I move over the object, we can see a little X, and I simply click on the X, and in a cloud of dust it's removed. For individual teachers or students, let's say for example I wanted to add Mark Frankowski, I simply type Mark and I can see down the list here there's Mark Frankowski. Once again, I don't really want Mark there. Once again, cloud of dust, he disappears. So let's just pick a couple of people now, and let's just say we'll pick Meredith. So I start to type, and let's go with Mark Curran, and I simply arrow down there, and let's go with another one of the English teachers. So we'll go with Alison Weber, and maybe Jim Clifford, And that will do for now. And over here we do have the ability to say what can people actually do. Now, the overall concept of a wiki is about collaboration and people contributing. So we're going to have everyone here have read, write access. So we'll say create, and our wiki is now created.